There's a neon cross on the edge of the county line,
burning like a fever in a head that's lost its mind.
I've got a suitcase full of static and a radio that won't play, just a ghost in the machinery of a long forgotten day. The asphalt's humming a tune I used to know,
When the wind was a brother and I had somewhere to go.
now the billboards are just tombstones for the dreams I never sold, in a city made of silver
Where the hearts are made of coal.
and the sky is turning purple like a bruise upon the night. We're just waiting for the spark to set the shadows all alight. Oh, it's the alchemy of the pouring rain, turning all our losses into gold inside the vein.
Where the kings of the gutters and the saints of the street,
Walking on the fire just to feel a little heat. Give me one more mile, give me one more scar.
you can't find the light till you're standing in the dark.
They promised us the kingdom and they handed us the keys. Then they locked the heavy doors and they brought us to our knees. But there's a power in the silence that the masters never knew, like the static in the wire or the morning's bitter dew.
I saw a girl in a denim jacket standing by the tracks,
With the map to the horizon and no way to